Welcome to episode 2 of How to Write the Elegant, Really Good Code with Michael Vanis, your host. Today we're going to be taking a look at the DOM in the web browser, and we're also probably going to be peeking around the CSS and HTML and maybe some JavaScript, but this will be pretty simple, and what I want to accomplish is pretty simple. So I hope you'll join me if you're a beginner. You probably learn some things. If you're an expert, you probably won't learn very much. But it'll be a good refresher. So first things first, we're going to drink some more of our wine. And we're going to pop open a browser. So one thing that I noticed, and really the reason why I wanted to make this video, is because I noticed that Facebook has this they've got more than one like button now. They've got love, haha, wow, sad, and angry. But I don't really care for that. I'm not really a huge fan of the angry button or the like button. I don't like any of them, but I'm going to replace one of them. And I'm going to replace them with Bernie Sanders or Donald Trump. I still haven't decided yet. So what we're going to do today is we're going to make it so that our Facebook page doesn't show one of these icons. Let's go with the like button. We're going to get rid of this like button right here, and we're going to place it with a politician. Because who doesn't like Donald Trump or Bernie Sanders? I don't know what you're supposed to think about that. So first things first, we're going to inspect this element. And that's on a Mac, that's Command-Shift-C, and then you can click on here. And what we're looking for, here you on the left you have your HTML, and here on the right you've got the styles for each element. So what we're wanting to do first of all is keep this thing open so that when I hover off of it, it stays open. And my guess is that it's this element right here. Okay, so you see down there, you'll have to look at that div class that's highlighted. It says _10xj_10ir. I'm guessing that those classes make that visible. So what I'm going to do, 10xj10ir, is I'm going to hover off of this. It's going to go back, and then I'm going to go _10xj_10ir. Yeah! There it is. Okay. Nice. Okay, so there, now we don't have to hover over it, and it's just going to be visible all the time, so we can figure out what in the hell we're doing. Okay, so what I'm looking for is I know that this little thumbs up is made by an image somewhere, right? That's an image coming from somewhere. So I'm going to look on the right for an image. Really, it's going to look like a URL. I don't know how they're going to do the image, but I'm pretty sure it's going to look like a URL. So we're just going to keep diving in here. It doesn't look like we found it. Okay, you see how it's highlighted right up there? When I hover over this, it's highlighted. Okay, so that means I think I'm getting close. And there we go. It's the iClass like _IUZ, and there's our background image. It's a URL. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop that open in a new tab, and we're going to take a look at that. Okay, so they're using a sprite. And this is a pretty common technique for the web. And basically what they're doing is for each of these images, they're just loading one image, and they're cutting up into pieces, and they're saying, all right, this one, this thumbs up is the 4th one, and the heart is the 5th one. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy the image. We're going to go into Photoshop. And what we want to do is replace the image. Well, I don't know. We'll call this emoticons. Okay, we're going to paste it. And then we're going to want to find something of Bernie Sanders or Donald Trump. Bernie Sanders or Donald Trump. All right, we've already typed in Bernie Sanders, so we're going to go with Bernie Sanders. And we kind of want a cartoon, so let's see what we got. No, none of these all suck. Bernie Sanders. Come on, man, where's your face? If I can't find a good one here really quick, then I'm going to switch to Donald Trump. These all suck, man. Alright, that'll work. Alright, so... that's fucking lame. Alright, we're going Donald Trump. Nice. Look at the Donald. Dude, he is a class act. Oh, that is what I'm talking about. All right, so this is what we wanted. All right, so we're gonna go on here. We're gonna just what we want is really to make ourselves a little icon of the Donald. If I can figure out how to friggin'... And because I don't have a lot of respect for Donald Trump, I mean, he is a genius. I'm just going to kind of cut around this. To be fair, I would have done this to Bernie too, so... But I think that Donald would appreciate what I'm trying to do here. Okay, boom. There, we have our icon. Okay, so... I'm going to copy that. And what we want to do is replace that thumbs up with the D. So we're going to shrink this down. We're going to shrink it down so it matches up nice and perfect. Ooh, I kind of messed it up. Let's try that again. Looks about right. Yes! Okay, so what we're going to do is really replace this thumbs up with the D machine. Oh man, I fucked up. We're going to put it right there. And then we're going to, just to make it nice and clear, let's get rid of that white around there. We'll fill it in with the same blue that's in the background. Okay. Looks good to me. God, that looks good. Okay, and then we're going to save it as a JPEG. We'll save it as emoticons, and we'll save it to our desktop. Okay. Now we're going to... what we want to do is replace this image here with what we've got on our machine. So, I don't know about you, but I use Imager a whole lot. And I'm going to go ahead and upload that emoticons thing so that it's here on the internet. And then I think... we replace that? Yes! Yes! So there we go. There it is. That is amazing. All right, so that's been your tutorial. We've replaced. Oh no, it's a JPEG. See how it's got the white borders? We don't want that. We want those borders to be transparent. So we're going to say that that's a PNG. And then we're going to re-upload it to Imgur. Use the PNG. PNGs have a transparent background. JPEGs don't. And I don't know if that actually did the transparent background. Fuck. We're going to try it though. Let's see if it worked. Get that URL. Paste it. Whoa, what happened? There we go. Damn, it still didn't work. You know what? Let's try this. Here we go. Okay, see how it's showing the checkered background? That's actually what we want. I just don't want to actually remove all of that. So let's go back a little bit. And the way we get rid of this, we take off contiguous. We'll just go ahead and do that. Contiguous makes it so that it selects everything of that color no matter where it is in the picture. And we don't want that because it was going to select all of the white. We don't want it to remove all of the white, we just want it to remove the white on the outside. Okay. So I'm going to save the PNG as emoticons. We're going to upload this. And we're going to drink while we wait. Alright, it's kind of choppy, but I don't really care. Because it's going to work. I'm going to go over here. Look at this guy. Open this up. What happened? Oh, there it is. And then we just paste it in that URL. So that's one way to load an image. And that's how Facebook is doing it apparently. And there we go. Look at that. Now there's no white border around there. It's a nice, clean thing. Now just out of curiosity, just for kicks, I kind of want it to do this all the time. Because if I refresh the page right now, that's going to go away. In fact, I'll show you. If I go to facebook.com, you'll notice, boom, now I got the thumbs up again. But I want this there all the time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to look for, I don't know if this exists, Chrome extension custom CSS. Of course there's custom CSS. All right, we're going to add it. I'm sure this is going to do what we want. Okay. We go back over here. StyleBot. What I want is for that thing to load every single time. So what? Oh, there we go. Oh, this really does not have what I want. Oh. Here we go. So this is just a custom CSS, I'm assuming. Hopefully this actually works. Background, image, this is how they were loading it. Let's go grab that URL. Yes! Oh, that's awesome! Okay, save. And awesome. We close it. And we refresh the page. And boom, now Donald Trump is our like button. Oh, that's so fun. That's so fucking stupid. And that's basically a very dumb introduction into the browser's DOM and some basic HTML and CSS and a little Chrome extension funness and some Photoshop too. So, I wasn't quite as drunk as I wanted to be, but hopefully you learned something. And I certainly am going to enjoy having this new like button forever. Bye.